We get a call from the customer the next morning that water is all over the floor of their bathroom. So at this point, we said screw Home Depot and screw Kohler, and we went to a customer's home to install a customer-provided toilet that they had purchased from a box store. As we were installing it, the toilet broke. And I don't know why toilet manufacturers do this. If I buy a toilet from a professional plumbing supply store, it comes in 3 boxes. The bowl is in 1 box, the tank is in 1 box, and the lid is in 1 box. Those 3 boxes are very easy to manage. Any 1 box does not weigh more than 50 pounds. Any 1 box is fairly easy to hold. However, if I go to Home Depot or Lowe's or Menards or any one of those places and buy a toilet, it comes in 1 massive box. And that 1 massive box is very big and very heavy. So we go buy the exact same toilet from the box store to make right of the situation. We unbox that one in the customer's home, and that toilet is shattered in the box. Now we're 0 for 2 on toilets. We take that shattered toilet back to Home Depot and we return it. They give us this toilet here. It's not shattered. We install it, and then we get a call from the customer the next morning that water is all over the floor of their bathroom. And the way this cracking in the porcelain, water was actually able to leak out of the siphon jet of the toilet through that crack under the base of the toilet over time, and then slowly ooze out. The leak happens fairly slowly, but anytime you have a toilet that loses all of its water from the bowl, it usually means there's a problem within the porcelain. The problem is, as people are moving those big, massive boxes around from store shelves to carts to in the back of their car to out of their car, into their garage or into their bathroom, that 1 big box is too heavy for any 1 person to hold, and so they get dropped and shifted, and they're very hard to position, and so they get slammed around quite a bit. So at this point, we said screw Home Depot and screw Kohler, and we basically put in our provided toilet. This one was a unique one here. This is totally a manufacturing defect on this one. Be on the lookout as you're getting toilets from box stores, because there is a high likelihood that toilet is broken or defective. Obviously, this video is about toilets. If you want to see one of our other toilet videos that's actually really cool, click in this link in the upper right-hand corner of the screen, and you'll get to see our toilet torture test video.